Beautiful. Right. Right, I'm going to have to talk a little bit of bollocks, more than normal to begin with, just to sync that up, just to start the video. Right folks, well, welcome. This is the first Patreon ride. And as usual, everyone's waiting on me.
I've been a real bad boy on the town all night. Starting to calm down with the morning light. I've been down in the
Alrighty. Captain Faff. Cheers boys. Alright, off we go. Now we're doing a little ride around the lakes today, Lake District. We did a little poll on the Patreon page and this one won. So we're doing Lake District today, heading down into North Wales for tonight, and then we'll have a wee spank around Wales tomorrow with a spot at breakfast at the Ponderosa. Right, lovely job. And off we go. That's a bit of a new one for me. I've never actually ridden up in the lakes, so looking forward to it. Right folks, if you hear me chatting away to other people, it's because I'm cheating on you. We are using the Cardo Pack Talk to group into a couple of other lads, a few other boys, all on the intercom here. So we're going to be having a chat along the way. Right, 7 miles we're turning off here. And in true teapot style, look at that. Yeah, I was using that Best Biking Roads to plot the route, or some of the route, and I don't know if you know Best Biking Roads, but it's got like a Google map basically of the area you're looking at, and the roads are sort of graded on there with colours, red being, you know, like the fantastic most recommended roads, right through to I think like blues and browns or greens or something for, yeah, they're okay roads, because everyone just submits their own best ride, you know what I mean? You can read the descriptions and people can put up pictures of what the road's like and all this spiel. So I was looking all around here and there's loads of red everywhere. I was thinking, blimey, this is going to be awesome. So I plotted it, and then I just thought to myself, I've had this before where one person's idea of a cracking road is a dual carriageway because they can pin it, and another person's idea of a good road is like a really twisty, gnarly farm track because they're on a, you know, an enduro bike or something, or a trials bike. So I thought, all right, I better just have a bit of a look here. And some of the roads that I'd plotted, when I looked at the description, they were literally farm tracks with fords on them, and you know, they were saying, you know, there's a bit of a ford here, but you'll be okay on an adventure bike as long as it hasn't rained. And I just thought, well, this weekend is not the weekend to be doing those roads. They'll probably be about 3 foot underwater at the moment. Right, we're doing a right up here. Oh, interesting. Right, off we go on the tracks. Ooh. Ah, the good old cyclists. We love the cyclists, don't we? Look at the rain we're going into. Oh, this is lovely around here. Oh wow, look at that. God, this is lovely. Right, we're turning right down the bottom. Wow, Kirkstone Pass. Somebody was talking about that. God, this is a khaki junction, isn't it? Yeah, please mate, yeah, thank you, cheers. Right, looks like we've still got the group. Beautiful. Well folks, look at this. I can't believe at 42, nearly 43 years of age, I've never been up to the Lake District on a bike. Wow. Oh, look at that up there. Wow. It's beautiful. It's not too cold either, is it? I've got to admit, I've got my heated grips on. I'm proper southernised now. Oh, there's a pub. Oh, pub. Nationals. Oh, cyclists. TMF has white vans. I get, oh no, I got a white van as well now. Happy days. I get cyclists. I tell you what a place to put the drone up. Oh man, look at that. Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. Oh, I hope the camera's recording. Wow, that is stunning. Oh man, look at that. This is phenomenal. We go all the way around the world, don't we, looking for beautiful places to see, and we've got this on our doorstep. Well, I'm kind of ashamed to say I've never been here. I've never done the lakes before. Wow. I want to get a bit of a lick on, but then you don't want to miss the scenery either. These are good roads. Oh man, look at that. That is outstanding. Oh, it's just amazing, isn't it? That is outstanding. Oh man, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna have to put the drone up. Right, let's pull in here and I'll whack that drone up, see what we can do. Kirkstone Pass in. Right. Bit of off-road too. Every day's a school day. Well, you need a pee. We've got a big group of more mature gentlemen. We'll all be stopping for a pee every 2 minutes. Right, beautiful. Everyone's set. We're just waiting for one to put his helmet on. Oh, and he's on a VFR as well. Rich would be proud. Ah, cheers, thank you. She's just been serviced actually, so hopefully, fingers crossed, she won't break down. Well, we hopefully got some good drone footage there. We do ride on what side? We're on the left, aren't we? Yeah, we are. Yeah. just had a little moment there. Oh man, look at this! Oh my god! Oh. See, I was coming this way with the drone, but the wind was so strong. Look at that! What's this place called, Pete? Is this Hard Knot Pass? Kirkstone Pass, sorry, Kirkstone. Wow. Oh man, that is stunning. You're recording, aren't you, Pete? You think you are, yeah. The trouble I find with the intercoms is, like, me and my mates got them and used them over in the Picos, but everyone is just chatting at the same time, so it's just constant noise in the end. There's like 4 different conversations going on at the same time, and me trying to vlog in amongst it all. Shut up, yeah. I really want to be antisocial and start overtaking, but it'll be a nightmare with this big group. Coach has done a good one. Good on him. Top work. Look at that for a view. Look at that. Well folks, we just come through Ullswater, I think. Stunning views. The problem is, everywhere is absolutely gorgeous, so I switched the camera off, thinking I'll give it a rest, and then you come round the corner and there's another stunning view. Like this, look at this. Ah, yes. Should have brought the rods with me. This is just a breathtaking part of the country, folks. If you've never done the lakes, you've got to come. Not as good as Scotland, obviously, but you know, it'll be a good second, and the roads will keep you interested as well. To mark that, will we? Can they all see us, yeah? Alright, lovely. We're on the A66, heading towards the sun. See if they're alright. You okay? You alright? Can we push her somewhere, do you think? Hang on, I'll pull up here, so we'll try and get the bikes out of the way, and where can we push it? We'll try and get a car out the way.
Has anybody asked if she's alright? A load of bikes hanging on.
Yeah, she's alright. We're going to put it in there. Okay, yeah, like you said. You did, mate, yeah. I didn't think it would get in here. I'll move my bike somewhere. Right. Clutch is done, innit? Does somebody want to jump in and steer? Yeah, lovely job.
Vlogging.
I'm gonna have to cut this down to like 10 seconds. Montage! Left a bit. Beautiful. Cheers out. Good effort, lads. Oh. Alright, everybody through. Happy days. Gotcha. Well, that was a bit of fun and games, wasn't it? Did our little civic duty. That's it, yeah, we're destined for glorious sunshine now for the rest of the day. Well, at least we've got an excuse for being late to Gary now. We got everybody in the group, haven't we? That looks mega. Oh man, in the mirror there's a massive load of us. Have we picked up even more people? We're in deep South America, this, look. We are so lucky with the weather. I thought it was going to be torrential. There's weather warnings and everything, wasn't there? Whew. Is this Simo's corner? So what, you went straight on, did you, into that gate? That's a bit of fun, this, isn't it? Worst ways to spend your Saturday. So Paul, you come up here on your tanker, do you? Your petrol tanker? Bloody hell. Oh, this looks fun. This will keep you awake, won't it? Awesome. Yeah. This is the A686. Lovely little road. Isn't it stunning? What do you say, gents? What do you say? Look at that! I love how even I put on a dodgy Scottish accent when I say it. People go all across Europe for this. It's right here, isn't it? Oh, this must be fun on your tanker. Bloody hell. How'd you get that round there? Hartside Summit. Look at Pete, straight over the dark, look, loving it. Oh, what's that all about? Love and memory, Ian Wilkinson. That is stunning, isn't it?
That was a good round.
It's beautiful, wasn't it? Yeah, unfortunately the calf's gone.
Oh well.
Well folks, we're here in Alston. Look at the turnout. It's phenomenal.
New Biggin.
Mm-hmm.
The village, the other side there's 2 or 3 big patches of gravel
Okay.
on the road, so just be careful because they're right across the road.
New Biggin.
New Biggin.
Okay.
A little bit New Biggin, after that, gravel.
Right.
So just be careful.
Awesome. Cheers. Well, that could be fun. But yeah, look at the turnout. It's phenomenal. Thank you very much to everybody who's come along for the ride out today. Top effort. I'll try and get round you all folks, but I've hadn't had a chance to chat to you one-on-one, and you're here for this ride. Thank you very much for turning up. Appreciate it. Right, we are now, and look at the weather. Look at the weather we've got. It's supposed to be weather warnings and everything for this weekend. How lucky have we been so far? I think tomorrow in Wales we're going to be pushing it though. It's supposed to be a little bit moist. So right now we are hitting the road, and it's going to be some back doubles to, where are we going? Middleton on Teesdale or something like that, I think. And then down to Hawes and Ingleston and places like that. Right, let's hit the road. Look. Awesome. Oh, I can't believe it. You tart.
The Baron.
Yeah, the Baron. Good lad.
You know him well?
I've been out riding with him before, and I know him to chat to, yeah. Right, shall we? Okie dokie. We get somebody to mark that for us. Cheers. Right, gents, we are coming. What's up? What you done? Oh, you forgot to do your lid. You'll be able to catch us up. All the pleasantries are done now. Everyone's introduced themselves. Ah, look at this. Nationals! Woo-ha! Beautiful. Right. Must stick at 60. Must stick at 60. If any of you get bored, just overtake. Jesus. Now.
First and foremost, the chap is okay. He was a little bit battered and bruised. We called an ambulance for him and they sent a helicopter. I'm really sorry we had to meet that way, bud. I hope we get a chance to have that brew we talked about under better circumstances. Apparently a pheasant ran out up ahead of him, and you can see that in the video. That's why he's locked his brakes up, and I just haven't stopped in time. Folks, thank you very much for everyone that turned up and joined on the first Patreon Rideout. I'm sorry it ended the way it did, but we're going to be having lots more this year and loads more meetups. So if you're not a Patreon yet, head on over to patreon.com/TeapotOne and join the clan. It is a huge help and massively appreciated by me. A few issues came up in that vid. Obviously there was a problem with the chit chat that was going on over the Cardo Bluetooth systems, in that if I haven't got camera footage with the audio from the other rider, I can't sync it up in post. So I'm trying to figure out a way where I can somehow record that chat myself, so at least then I've got the audio. I think I've got a solution to this, so I'm going to be testing it out in the next couple of weeks, and if it works, I'll do a vid on it. However, if you know of a way to sync up the audio from the comms kit with the video, drop me a line down below in the comments. Right folks, that'll do us for this vid. Hope you've enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Leave some comments down below. Let me know what you think of the vid and the channel. Try and keep it clean. For all you new subscribers, welcome on board. Thank you very much for all your support. For all you current subscribers and Patreons, I cannot thank you guys enough. The support has been unbelievable. Right folks, onwards and upwards. Let's keep on keeping on. Keep doing your thing. Most importantly, live your life.